The Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues. With Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we're still dealing with these river stages that are up. We still have an ongoing flood warning for most of our local Wabash Valley rivers. Here's the update as of Tuesday afternoon. Montezuma is up to 27.45. That's the Wabash River in Montezuma. Expected to crest today at 27.9. Here in Terre Haute, the Wabash is up to 23.11 feet. Flood stage, of course, is at 14, so we are well above that. Expected to crest tomorrow here in Terre Haute. You can find all of these local Wabash Valley River stages on our website. There is a link on the weather page, so if you need to know those numbers, again, right there at your fingertips. Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker showing us that there's no rain to speak of out there this afternoon. We are picking up on perhaps a few flurries, occasional flurries here or there, now falling in southern Lawrence County. This has moved out of the Calhoun and Parkersburg area, but as far as widespread snow, well, that's not going to be the case for today. We keep the cloud cover and just a little bit of moisture that we're tapping into. Could certainly see those occasional flurries flying around. Down to Vincennes especially, temperatures now have dropped to 36 degrees. 34 in Robinson, it's 33 in KZ, 32 in Paris. Here in Terre Haute, 35 degrees, and making it feel even cooler than that is a stronger wind even this afternoon. Not as gusty as what it was yesterday, but a 13-mile-per-hour sustained wind out of the west in Terre Haute, 10 in Robinson, 15 in Vincennes, going to put a little bit more of a chill to the air. We also have some wind gusts that are registering 23 miles per hour in KZ and 26 up in Rockville. We were talking about that center of low pressure that impacted us yesterday. It's actually had a pretty big impact on most of the eastern U.S. We've had some snow reports, several inches throughout the Midwest. We had some severe weather yesterday in the south. Now the Northeast getting hit with this wintry mix off to our north. So again, most of this precipitation is going to be lifting on out of here, but we do keep the cloud cover in place over the next several days. Here's Futurecast beginning at midday. We keep the cloud cover around for the rest of our afternoon. Not really much in the way of breaks in the clouds, so we will keep that cloudy forecast all the way through this evening, even through our Wednesday morning. Keeping that cloudy sky, not much going to change in that regard. So if you do have plans for tonight, keep in mind it's going to stay cloudy. Temperatures pretty consistent here in the upper to mid 30s, dropping back to around 34 degrees by 10 p.m. And then overnight tonight, we see the return of the upper 20s. Places like Mattoon up through Rockville and KZ, 28 degrees, 30 in Terre Haute to low near 30 in Robinson, and 32 in Lagodi. Well, big Futurecast up tomorrow morning. Notice that the sky stays cloudy for our Wednesday. What's going to happen on Wednesday as a weak system passes by to our northwest could potentially once again bring in some stray flurries, possibly mixing with some light rain as temperatures do rebound back into the upper 30s for tomorrow. Not looking at widespread precipitation, but the cloudy skies will be there, and it's been my experience whenever we get these cold temperatures to move in and just a little bit of moisture, it will translate into a few flurries. So keep that in mind. Going to be a possibility. Now we're into our Thursday. Notice that the sky conditions did not change for our New Year's Eve. We are looking at a cloudy one this year and probably won't see the sun returning until next year. On Friday, it does look like conditions will improve for us. So your forecast for the rest of the day today, cloudy and cooler with that strong breeze out of the southwest. Highs topping out near 39. Everything trends downward from here, only topping out near 38 on Wednesday. Again, that occasional shower or flurry will be possible. Ringing in the new year with highs in the 30s. In fact, on Friday, only looking for a high around 30 degrees. We start to rebound more into the weekend into the upper 30s as the sunshine makes its appearance.